Hello and welcome to one who is watching this audio documentary on the topic Whisper Theory, that is, the valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, from Chapter 4 Chemical Bonding, Class 11th. For the prediction of geometrical shapes with the help of Whisper, we need to divide the molecules into two categories. First, the molecules in which the central atom has no or zero lone pair, and second, in which the molecule of the central atom has one or more lone pair. Now, the geometry. The geometry depends on both lone pair as well as the bond pair of the electrons, but the shape of an element depends only on the bond pair. We'll learn about these.
Linear geometry. In this type of geometry, two electron pairs are present and no lone pair is there. The electron pairs are arranged in such a way that the angle between them is 180 degree. Such type of geometry is called linear geometry. Example of this kind of geometry are BeCl2 and HgCl2. Trigonal planar. In this type of geometry, three electron pairs are present and no lone pair is there. The electron pairs are arranged in such a way that the angle between all of them is 120 degree. This type of geometry is called trigonal planar. Example of such kind of geometry is boron trifluoride. Tetrahedral. In this type of geometry, four electron pairs are present and no lone pair is there. They are arranged in such a way that the angle between them is 109.5 degree. Such kind of geometry is called tetrahedral. Example of this type of geometry is CH4 and NH4 positive. Trigonal bipyramidal. In this type of geometry, 5 electron pairs are present and no lone pair is there. The electron pairs are arranged in such a way that the angle between atoms at equatorial positions is 120 degree and the angle between atoms which are at axial positions is at 90 degree with its neighboring equatorial atom. Such type of geometry is called trigonal bipyramidal. Example of this type of geometry is PCl5. Octahedral. In this type of geometry, 6 electron pairs are present and no lone pair is there. The electron pairs are arranged in such a way that the angle between all the axial and equatorial atom is 90 degree. Such type of geometry is called octahedral. Example is SF6.
Now, our next topic is the geometry and shapes of the elements which are having lone pair. As you can see in the table, the first molecular type is AB2E. This shows that the number of bonding pairs are 2, and in the molecular type, in each case, E represents the number of lone pair. So there are 2 bonding pairs and 1 lone pair. And in such a case, the electrons arrange them in such a way that the shape formed is bent shape. And as we have discussed earlier, the geometry remains the same. So the geometry will be trigonal planar. The next case is AB3E. There are 3 number of bonding pairs and 1 number of lone pair. In this kind, there are total 4 bonds. In 4 bonds, the 3 are bonding pair, but the 1 are lone pair in which a pair of electron is present. In such a case, the shape formed is trigonal bipyramidal, whereas the geometry will be same, that is tetrahedral. The next case is AB2E2. In this case, there are 2 bond pairs as well as 2 lone pairs. So there are total 4 bonds, in which 2 are bonding pairs and 2 are lone pairs. As you can observe in the diagram, the shape formed is bent shape, as in the first case, because there are only 2 bond pairs. But the geometry will be same, that is tetrahedral, as in the second case. Next one is AB4E molecular type, in which the number of bonding pairs are 4, but the number of lone pairs only 1. So the total bond forms will be 5, in which 4 are bond pairs and 1 lone pair, which represents a pair of electron. The shape formed in such a case, you can see, is seesaw shape, and the geometry will be same, that is the trigonal bipyramidal. Next case you observe is the AB3E2 molecular type, in which there are 3 bond pairs but only 2 lone pairs. Total are 5 pairs as in the previous case. But now there are 3 bond pairs and they are represented by B, B and B. And you can easily see that they are representing a T shape. So such kind of molecule are having a shape T, and the geometry is same for every 5 pair, that is trigonal bipyramidal. The next is AB5E, that is 5 bond pair and 1 lone pair. In this, total are 6 pairs. So you can see B again represents the bond pair, and there are a pair of electron which is representing the lone pair. This kind of shape is known as square pyramidal, and the geometry is same octahedral. AB4A2, in which there are 4 bond pairs but 2 lone pair. So total are 6 pairs as in the above case. So geometry will be same, that is octahedral, but there is a change in the shape. In the above case, the B depicts like a pyramid shape, but in this case the B represents a plane shape. So the shape of this kind of molecule will be square planar. With this, we end in the Vesper theory, that's the valence shell electron pair repulsion theory of chapter 4 chemical bonding, class 11th. Thank you.